I've spent my hard-earned cash testing these drum machines, so you don't have to waste yours. Today, I'm diving deep into 5 top choices for beat making, from compact devices to pro-level samplers. We'll break down everything you need to know about performance, usability, and sound quality. Let's get started. Product number 1: Stylophone Beat. When I first laid my hands on the Stylophone Beat, I was immediately impressed by its compact size. Weighing just 14.8 ounces and measuring 7.09 x 4.8 x 1.5 inches, it's the kind of gadget you can toss in your backpack and take anywhere. I remember sitting on my couch, eager to see what this little powerhouse could do. I popped in 3 AA batteries and connected my headphones. The built-in speaker delivered a surprisingly rich sound for its size, and I felt ready to dive into the world of beat making. The experience was akin to a kid discovering a new toy. With 4 drum kits and 4 bass sounds, I found myself experimenting with different rhythms and layers. The click track helped keep me on tempo, which was a game changer for someone like me who sometimes struggles with timing. I was able to record multiple patterns and then mute sounds to create dynamic beats, enhancing the creativity process. What struck me was the simplicity of the interface. Everything was intuitive, making it easy to navigate through sounds and features. The ability to record multiple layers offered me a chance to build complex rhythms without feeling overwhelmed. As I played around, I felt a sense of freedom and creativity that's often hard to find in larger, more complex machines. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Stylophone Beat is super portable, making it great for on-the-go musicians. The sound quality is impressive for its size, and the click track and tempo lock feature can really help with layering. However, it does have its downsides. The reliance on AA batteries might be a hassle for some, and while it has a built-in speaker, the sound can be limited when compared to larger drum machines. Also, the lack of advanced features means it might not satisfy seasoned producers looking for a more robust device. So why should you consider the Stylophone Beat? If you're a beginner or someone looking for a fun, portable way to make beats, it's a fantastic option. Its user-friendly design and decent sound quality make it a great starting point for anyone wanting to get into music production without spending a fortune. Product number 2: Akai Professional MPK Mini MK3. From the moment I unboxed the Akai Professional MPK Mini MK3, I felt like I was holding a piece of serious music-making gear. Weighing in at just under 2 pounds and measuring 7.3 x 12.5 x 1.75 inches, it's compact yet robust. As I set it up, I was instantly drawn to the 8 backlit drum pads. They felt great under my fingers, responding to velocity in a way that made every beat I played feel dynamic and alive. What really amazed me was the versatility of this controller. It's not just a drum pad, it's a full-fledged music production tool. The built-in arpeggiator and 4-way thumbstick for pitch and modulation control opened up a world of creative possibilities. I spent hours tweaking sounds, layering beats, and getting lost in the sheer joy of creating. The bundled software, including MPC Beats and various sound libraries, felt like a treasure trove. I could access over 1,500 sounds, which was a huge boost for my music production. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While the MPK Mini MK3 is a powerful tool, it does come with a learning curve, especially for beginners. The interface can feel overwhelming at first, and while the pads are responsive, they might not be as durable as those found on more expensive models. Additionally, I noticed that the lack of full-sized keys could be limiting for those used to traditional keyboards. So why should you invest in the Akai Professional MPK Mini MK3? If you're serious about music production and looking for a portable, powerful MIDI controller that doesn't break the bank, this is a stellar option. It's perfect for home studios, on-the-go production, or even live performances. The combination of quality, portability, and extensive software support makes it more than worth the price. Product number 3: Teenage Engineering Pro 12. When I first got my hands on the Teenage Engineering Pro 12, I was intrigued by its pocket-sized design. I remember thinking, can something this small really pack a punch? Measuring just 7 x 3.5 x 0.2 inches and weighing next to nothing, it was easy to toss into my pocket. As I turned it on, I was greeted by a world of synthesized and sampled drum sounds that captured my attention immediately. The real magic of the Pro 12 lies in its sequencing capabilities. I was amazed by how I could sequence beats and add effects effortlessly. The 16 punch-in effects are a blast to play with, allowing me to tweak my sounds on the fly. I spent hours creating patterns, layering them, and experimenting with different effects to see how they changed the sound. The built-in speaker was surprisingly crisp, and the 3.5 line-out allowed me to connect it to larger systems when needed. However, while it offers a ton of fun, the PO 12 does have some drawbacks. The small size means that the controls can feel cramped, which might be a challenge if you've got larger hands. Additionally, while the sounds are great for electronic and experimental music, they might not appeal to everyone, especially those looking for more traditional drum sounds. So why should you consider the Teenage Engineering PO 12? If you're looking for an ultra-portable drum machine that offers creative possibilities and fun effects, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for jamming on the go or adding unique sounds to your productions without taking up much space. Its quirky design and innovative features make it a gem for any music producer. Product number 4. Roland SP404 MKII. When I first plugged in the Roland SP404 MKII, I was immediately struck by its professional feel. At 5.1 x 9.1 x 17.1 inches and weighing just a pound, it's compact yet feels solid in hand. The vivid OLED display caught my eye right away, making it easy to navigate through the menu and visualize my sounds. I remember diving into the workflow and being impressed by how fast it was to load samples and get started. The SP404 MKII truly shines in its versatility. With 16 GB of internal storage and the ability to handle 32 voices of polyphony, I found myself creating complex layered beats with ease. The 17 velocity-sensitive pads offered smooth playability, which was a dream for someone like me who enjoys live jamming. I could quickly edit samples and apply effects, making it easy to create unique sounds on the fly. The preloaded sound library was a fantastic bonus, giving me a plethora of samples to work with right out of the box. However, the SP404 MKII isn't without its challenges. The price point is on the higher side, which might be a barrier for beginners. Additionally, while the workflow is fast, mastering all the features can take time. And while it's lightweight, it could still be cumbersome for those looking for something ultra-portable. So why should you consider the Roland SP404 MKII? If you're serious about music production and want a powerful sampler that allows for creative freedom, this is an excellent investment. It's perfect for producers looking to create high-quality beats and performances, with enough features to keep you engaged for years to come. Product number 5. Roland AIRA Compact T8. I was excited to try out the Roland AIRA Compact T8, knowing that Roland has a reputation for quality gear. When I first held it, I was surprised at how lightweight it felt, yet it packed a lot of power. The intuitive 16-step sequencer was a joy to use, allowing me to create infectious tracks in mere minutes. I remember jamming with the TR drums and TB bass sounds, feeling like a pro right away. What I loved most about the T8 was how user-friendly it was. The classic TREC drum sequencer made it easy to get started, and the onboard effects like delay and reverb allowed me to really shape my sound. The ability to craft on-the-fly acid jams or trap beats felt limitless. The ACB technology used here accurately recreates the vintage sounds, which was a huge draw for me. I could easily see this becoming a staple in my music production arsenal. On the flip side, there were a few downsides worth noting. The compact design might be appealing, but it also means that the controls can feel a bit cramped, especially when I was trying to make quick adjustments in a live setting. Additionally, while the built-in sounds are fantastic, those wanting a broader range may find it limiting. So why should you consider the Roland AIRA Compact T8? If you're looking for a portable, powerful drum machine that captures the essence of classic Roland sounds, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced producers who need something that can travel well while still delivering high-quality performance. There you have it, 5 diverse drum machines that cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you're a beginner looking for something fun and portable or a seasoned producer in need of professional-grade gear, there's something for you in this lineup. I hope this deep dive helps you make an informed decision. Happy beat making!